Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to rebuild my 1:24 scale Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5 16 Evolution 2 from Fujimi. The reason why I'm rebuilding this kit is because I've built it when I was just a beginner to this hobby and it has a lot of imperfections. This kit is really hard to find now, and I thought it's a really good idea to give this kit a new lease of life. So I removed some of the paint from the body using paint thinner, but I've learned the hard way that using it is actually bad for plastic models. I'll show you what happened to the body after repainting in a while. My humble request to all beginner modelers is that to not let a single drop of thinner be on the body. But I'm sure that all the professional modelers already know about this. I should have sanded the car down instead of completely removing the paint like this. I'm using my scriber and my hobby knife to make the panel lines deeper. I've also sanded the body down for a smoother finish. I'm going to scratch build the hood ornament as the original one was damaged. And I'm going to use a safety pin to hold it in place, so I'll have to drill a hole for it. So the hole has been drilled and the pin slides in neatly, and this is where the hood ornament will be attached. This is the original exhaust muffler and the tip looks really out of shape, so I'm going to scratch build a new tip for it. First of all, I have to cut out the original tip. After cutting the tip, I have to make the edge smooth for the attachment of the custom tip. The original tip is about 75mm long, and I am going to use an empty pen refill to make the tip. After measuring the length, I cut it down to the correct size, and I am going to stick it to the muffler. So this is how it looks like, and I am going to use a stronger glue to hold it in place. Till the glue dries up on the muffler, I am going to assemble some parts of the chassis. The brake discs and the rear axle has been attached. So this is the exhaust tip, and I have painted it in silver, and it looks really better than the original one. I have also made this heat shield for the exhaust tip, just like the one you see on the real car. I have made it using the aluminum packaging which is used for medicines, and I have wrapped it in a layer of aluminum foil. This makes the exhaust look more realistic. So I am going to assemble the rest of the chassis now. I am gluing in the wheel as I have lost the poly caps which hold it in place, and the wheel easily falls off. And that completes the chassis. So that's the painted body, and as you can see, there is an orange peel type of finish to it, and that's why you should never use paint thinner on plastic parts.
One eternity later.
After a lot of sanding and paint correction, I finally managed to get a smooth finish on the paint. It looks much better than before and has a mirror finish to it. I'm going to use these metal stickers from Zoom On Model to make the logos at the back. And since they don't have the complete 2.5 16 logo, I'm going to improvise and make use of different logos to make it. So I have stuck the logos, and that's how they look like. It makes the back look really good. But sadly, they didn't have the correct size for the Mercedes logo, so I left it as it is. It would have been nice if the Mercedes logo was also a metal sticker. I'm assembling the front splitter and the roof spoiler here. Here's the windshield and the inner rear view mirror. I have custom built a windshield wiper as the original one got damaged. Here's the lenses for the headlights and the tail lamps. And I'm going to repaint it so that it looks better. You can see the difference already. So I'm going to paint the rest of it. I had assembled the interior off camera and this is how it looks like. I have also given a few wooden accents on the center console. So this is how the back looks like, and I was not sure about what colors to paint over here, and the internet didn't help either, so I had to improvise. There is no interior tub, but the parts are rather stuck on the chassis. I'm going to glue in the front and rear lights. So this is how it looks like, and the car is almost ready. I'm going to glue in the rear wing now. The alignment was a bit off on this side, and now it's corrected. So this is the hood ornament that I have scratch built, and I have used needle tips as the points for the Mercedes star. I have used the outer ring from the original hood ornament. I am not going to use any glue to attach this so that I can remove it for cleaning purposes and it does not get damaged. I have also added a metal sticker for the logo on the grille. So with that, the rebuild is complete. So that's all for this rebuild. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.